If the brakes of the car have failed and you are in the car, then you have to do this to save your life. First, know how the brakes work. When a person sits in the car and presses the brakes, brake oil flows from the master cylinder to the brake pipe. It sends air to the calipers of the tires. The rotor present in the tire rotates the tire and moves the car. When the person presses the brake, the caliper placed above it stops the car. Many times, when the car is not repaired frequently, the metal parts related to the brake get rusted and start leaking, or the brake pipes, through which the brake oil goes, get holes in them. Sometimes this pipe bursts while driving, and the brakes of the car stop working. If the brakes of your car fail, then first of all, you have to turn on all the indicators of the car and start honking the horn. This will let everyone know that the brakes of your car have failed. If the car is in 5th gear, then you have to shift to 4th gear, then 3rd, then 2nd, and then 1st. In such a situation, your car will slow down, and then you have to take out the key, like comment, share, and follow.